Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike Foster here. This is an episode of Name That Song, Name That Artist. I did a few of these 3, 4, 5 years ago, right when I first moved into this home. So it must be a few years back because I moved in 2019, so it's been a while. So I'm going to do 4 songs, and I'm going to tell you right off that they're older songs from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, because that's where I'm from. And your job is to name the song, name the artist, and then at the end of the video, I'll give you the answers. Here's the first one. What a tale my thoughts could tell, just like an old time movie about a ghost from a wishing well in a castle dark, or a fortress strong with chains upon your feet. You know that ghost is me. Alright, who sang that one? And what was the name of the song? He had some great hits. I really like him. He's one of my favorite artists. So here's another one. This is from the 70s. I saw this guy in concert at Boston Garden in the early 1970s, and this was the tour he was doing. Pushing through the market square, so many mothers sighing. News had just come over, we had left her crying. The newsman wept when he told us the earth was really dying. Cried so much his face was wet, then I knew he was not lying. That's all you get. Now, this was not one of the top tracks on a very popular album, but it was still considered one of his great songs. Futuristic song. Name that artist and name the song. Now this is another one from the 80s or 90s. Now that you found yourself losing your mind, are you here again? Hoping that what you once thought was real is gone and changing. Well, hopefully the voice could give it away. Name that artist and name that song. That's number 3. All right, this is a fun song. This is a song from the 1960s. I think it was their second or third album of one of the most popular bands. Singing groups, we used to call them, of all time. They didn't originally sing this. It was originally sang by someone else. Sang by someone else? It was sung by someone else. But they did a cover, and it was very popular. There were bells on a hill, but I never heard them ringing. No, I never heard them at all. That was the name of the song. And there were birds in the sky, but I never saw them winging. Well, I never saw them at all. I like that song. I'll play more of it at the end. So those are your 4 name the artist or band, name that tune, name that song, and at the end of my outro, which is my Live Life 365 song that I wrote, people talk about it. Mike, who's singing the beginning? Who's singing again? Me. I wrote it years ago, probably in 2008 or 9. And I'll give you the answers. So for more videos like this about anything about life, even music videos like this, if you like this video, let me know. Thumb it up. If not, let me know what you'd rather see. Keep watching Live Life 365 at all my socials. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
All right, for those of you who are still here, the first one was, here it is. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts could tell. Just like a paperback novel, the kind of drugstore sell. When you reach the part where the heartache starts, the hero would be me. Heroes often live, and you won't read that book again because the ending's just too hard to take. That's by Gordon Lightfoot. If you could read my mind. All right. The second one was from Ziggy Stardust and the Spiders from Mars. It was David Bowie. It goes, we've got 5 years stuck on my eyes. We got 5 years. What a surprise. We've got 5 years. My brain hurts a lot. 5 years. That's all we've got. Google it. It's worth it. It's 5 years by David Bowie. Now, number 3 is from Neil Young. I believe in you. 'Cause I believe in you. Oh. Neil Young, I Believe in You, another beautiful love song. And the fourth one, if you haven't guessed it by now, it was, and then there was music and wonderful roses, they tell me, and sweet fragrant meadows of dawn and dew. It was the Beatles, Till There Was You. There was love all around, but I never heard it singing. No, I never heard it at all, till there was you. Till there was you. Until next time, peace. There's my cheat sheet. All right. That's it. Let's get it right, guys. Hi. Okay, this is for the outtakes. Scratch it. Also for the outtakes. Drinking a little adult beverage. This is for the outtakes. That's it.